Hello, guys. My name is Paulina, and today we're going to talk about goals in Universal Analytics. It's going to be part two. In the previous video, we talked about destination goal. We created this kind of goal. We verified in real-time report. We are sure that it's working, and I promised you to continue talking about goals. And in this video, we're going to talk about another two types of goals in Universal Analytics. It's going to be pages screens per session and duration goals. So let's start to talk about maybe duration. From the name of this goal, we can understand that it's about the time that users spend on the website. And I'm going to show you how to create it and if it's possible to verify in the real-time report. So we are going to the left bottom corner to the admin section, and then the third column, goals, and then we're going to create a new one plus new goal. I'm going to put myself down a bit, and here in the name I'm going to name it as a duration goal. As I said in the previous video, goals.id set up automatically, so we don't change it, we don't touch it, we are going straight to the type of the goal. And as today we're talking about duration goal, right now we're talking about duration goal, we're gonna choose it, and then we just immediately click the blue button continue. And here it's a really easy configuration to set up. So you have only one option here to choose. It's greater than. So duration greater than 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 second, depends um, how much time you want to measure that user spent on your website. You will set it up here, and then you're gonna click save. So here, for example, I'm interested in users that spent on my website at least 5 minutes. So I'm gonna put here 5 minutes. And that's pretty much it. If we are going to the optional setting, which is value, as I said previously, if you are sure how much money you get every time the user spent on the website at least 5 minutes, you could turn it off. Turn it on, and then to put exact value in the currency that you chose when you created this account. So, for example, every time the user spent on the website 5 minutes, you will get $1. It's just for example. But if you're not sure, to not confuse you later in the reports with these values, you can just turn it off because this is an optional setting. And then you can click save, and the duration goal is created. The bad thing about this goal, it's that we are not able to verify it in real time report. This kind of goal will appear here in the conversions tab, in the goals, in overview, and here you're gonna find your goal a bit later. Right now you can see destination goal that we verified last time, and here duration goal, it's 0, and it's gonna appear up to 24 hours every time the reports will be uploaded, will be refreshed. So in real time there is no possibility to verify it with duration goal. You're gonna see it only in conversions and goals tab. So that's it. The configuration, the creation is done with the duration goal. So let's go to the second type of the goal that we're gonna discuss today. It's pages screens per session. The same as duration, we can understand what's this is the type of the goal. It means that for example, you need to set up their exact amount of pages that you want your client or your user to change on the website. So for example, you want them to visit contact page, you want them to visit I don't know, about page, you don't want them to visit thank you page, so at least 3 page. And you're gonna set it up almost the same as duration goal. You're gonna go to the admin panel, and then to the goals, you're gonna create new goal, you're gonna give it a name. So let's say pages, at least 3 pages, 3 pages per session. Per session means that per visit of your website. Yeah, so 3 pages per session, then go slot ID we never touch. We choose pages screens per session, continue, and then the same easy configuration here, go details, so it's the only one option greater than, so at least should be 3 pages changed on the website to count as a goal fired, yes, to count as a conversion. The same story with value. If you know the exact monetary value that you get from this conversion, you could turn it on. If no, you can stay with off option, and then you click save, and that's pretty much it. Our another type of the goal is created the same, and there was this type with the pages per session and this and duration goal. We are not able to verify in real-time reports, so these kind of goals will appear in conversions, in goals, in overview, and here you can see. Let me refresh the page. um, let's wait a second. Yeah, so you can see destination goal, and 3 pages per session appeared as well with the value of 0, because it's going to be refreshing every time, every 24 hours. That's pretty much it for this video. We discussed two type of the goals. We discussed how to create it, and I hope it was clear for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss new videos, and I'm gonna see you there. Have a good one. Bye.